What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing an Adidas Juventus away soccer men's jersey 1920. This is a fancy t-shirt made for fans that it's a nice clothes for a streetwear, a version of the players used to wear in a game day, but this one is made for the fans. It stands the Juventus Sport Club badge, and it's really fancy and different colors. It uses the Adidas exclusive Climalite technology that makes the t-shirt really nice, fits well in the body. It's a sport style, so it's not a way big. In fact, it's a little skinny. The color it's really different and has some details if you look closer. Seems very durable. Has the classic Adidas ties. The camouflage print gives a really different feel and look for this. In addition, it stands the Jeep vehicles logo in the chest. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!